Everyone. So today we are here with our new topic, that is dimensions of business environment. Till now we have completed the meaning of business environment, its features and its importance. Yesterday we have taken one example in that we come to know that how a business can get affected by different factors of the environment, and we can say from its surroundings. So the different factors are, we have seen yesterday that how the individual give due effect to the business, how an organization give due effect to the business, how any other institutions give due effect to the business. So there are different factors. So here these factors are being categorized in one particular way. One is social environment, other is political, legal, economic and technological. So today we will be learning about each and every factor, or we can say the dimensions, in a detail. Here we have I have given numbers to each and every particular factor with the numbers, because here I have given some examples of it and some explanation of it. That's why. So the first one is social environment. Social environment. Social, which is the word related to the society only. As you know, society, which is full-fledged of customs, traditions, values, society's trends, customers' trends, taste and preferences, and their expectations. As you know that whatever the season is going on, the market for that particular product used to increases. Like if we take the examples of the festivals, if there is Holi, so of course the colors used to be sell out in a full-fledged. In Diwali, the market of clothes, the market of decorative items, the market for sweets, market for crackers is being in full-fledged into the market, right? And people used to purchase these materials only. So at that time, they are actually hiking with their business. And values, as we know that there are products, and we can say different advertisements are there which give you chances to the business people that how they have to behave in the sense of what are the kinds of product they need to bring into the market, so that they cannot degrade the value of the society. The value of the society cannot be degraded, isn't it? So here how the values are very also important for any kind of business. As you know, the values which is keeping the society's steam every time high. Understood? Then in the values we can take another in the way of equality as well. There are products which have different types of chances, different types of options also, so that which can be affordable by each and every category of people, right? Then now trends also, yesterday I have taken an example of like if in India we talk about, so of course the selling of sarees in India would be more rather than in France, right? And whatever the trends goes on, if the trends is going on for the fashionable goggles, so of course the market for fashionable goggles will be more over there. If the trend is going for over the market for the people who are actually wearing Indo-Western, so of course the market for Indo-Western would be more, isn't it? So here we can say that how the society give due effect to any kind of business externally. Next is political. Political environment means what? Whatever written, the political conditions. Political conditions here, that is general stability and peace in the country, and specific attitudes of elected representative governments they hold in the business. They hold in the business. I have given some also examples, like corruptions also give negative effect to the business. Competition regulation being by the political people, politics, it's also been giving due effect to the business, isn't it? Mainly people, children, you need to remember that political conditions, these are not, we can say they are mandatory. Why we cannot say they are mandatory? Because these are only approaches to maintain peace, to maintain stability. Like if we take the example of recently, that how MP government has been changed suddenly by the way of only the resignation of Sindhya. With the way of the resignation given by Sindhya, within these 2-3 days, the people, the investors, those who used to invest in different types of particular product, have started taking back their money. Maybe they are thinking of what? Maybe they are thinking of their investment in this business will not be profitable since the government is going to change. So this is what, how the people make their mindset. make their people mindset by looking at what conditions? By looking at political conditions, right? So the political environment is that environment which is being the steps being taken by the government. Steps, I cannot say, and we cannot say over here that these are mandatory, because mandatory level is over here. That is the third one, that is legal environment. Legal environment, in that these are actually mandatory, because here the government used to make, or we can say the legislature used to make laws, rules, regulations, and laws, rules, regulations, whatever is being passed by the government or the court, we need to take care of. Every business or organization have to take care of. Otherwise, they will be in big trouble legally. They would be in big trouble. That's why I've written over here, legislation passed by government, court judgments, and educate knowledge of each rules, regulation, laws made by the government is the prerequisite for any enterprise. Prerequisite means is the foremost requirement to understand what laws are being made mandatory for every organization. Examples of trade union law, examples of minimum wages act, right? So these particular, like minimum wages act, the organization have to take care of their laborers are getting the wages properly, which is minimum wages they getting or not. Otherwise, the labor can sue them into the court. This is what the right the laborers are having. So that is what all the rules, regulations, laws the business organization have to maintain. Next is economic environment. With the economic word, as you know very well, which is related to wealth. So economic over here is related with the interest rates, inflation, stock market indices, value of rupee, which all give effect to the management practices, or we can say the activities of business organization, right? Like if the bank used to change the interest rates of giving the loan, if they are decreasing the rates, of course the taking of loan would be more. And if they are increasing the rates, so of course the loan taking power of the people, it's being also diminished, right? So this is how. And if there is inflation means general high prices, so people will stop purchasing the things, so the production would be low. So now you can see that how the production would be no requirement of anything, no requirement of more products, no requirement more labor, no requirement of more raw materials. So this is how that particular economic factor giving effect positively as well as negatively to any kind of business. Now the next is, that is technological environment. Technology, which is related with your innovations, which is related with your new ways of doing business, or scientific improvements. As we know that very well, due to the rising ages, or we can say due to the increasing knowledge of the people of yours, you people are making and bringing some new ideas to make a new startup, or we can say what is the prevailing startup was going on, bring them to the track, bring them to a very good track. You are putting some kind of boost, or we can say the boosting power you are giving to it, that how the new technology, how the new methods, how the new machines, how the new ways can give more and good effect to the business. One example is given in your NCERT book, that is very nice example, which is related to the railway tickets. Earlier, at our your parents' time, there was no online ticket booking. The people have to make long queues. They need to stand into the station for a long number of hours to get the tickets, to book the tickets. And sometimes the ticket counter gets shut off as well. But nowadays, what is happening? Now, this ticket counter is being open till 11 o'clock at night. Till at night. How it is being possible? Just because of that online procedure. No people are required to, we can say those are not accessible to computers. These people are only going to the queues and taking their tickets. But many of the people are taking their ticket online only. So many things are getting on online. Your classes is going on online. So this is what scientific improvements or innovations, the new ways of producing goods and services is also affecting the business positively. Negatively, we can say negatively it is giving the bad effect to the labors, because if the new machines comes, So it requires less labor. If less labor, so of course some businesses used to cut off their labor power. So this is how that every aspect have positive as well as negative aspect both. So this is how we have completed our last next that is the business environment. Then we will come to tomorrow with our next topic. Okay, till now, till here, you just read out all the 3 points, 3 topics. First is meaning, second is feature, importance, and this is the fourth one, that is dimensions of business environment. Okay, have a nice day.